Welcome back to XRP Pulse, your go-to source for the latest XRP and crypto developments. Today, we have a game-changing story that could redefine the future of finance as we know it. Ripple's head of product has just shared a bold 10-year prediction, placing XRP squarely on the front line of AI-powered financial systems, and the implications are massive. If you've been following the evolution of crypto and AI, you know this is more than just a market trend. It's a glimpse into how money, technology, and automation are merging in ways we've only imagined until now. The key insight here is that traditional payment rails, designed for humans, are not optimized for AI-driven systems. They require manual approvals, complex reconciliations, and endless loops to verify transactions. Ripple recognizes this bottleneck and is actively building solutions that allow AI agents to interact directly with the XRP Ledger. Imagine payments executed in seconds by fully autonomous programs without any human intervention. This is not science fiction, it's coming, and Ripple wants XRP to be at the center of this revolution. Ripple's integration tools are designed for AI assistants like Claude Code, Claude Desktop, and Cursor, giving these programs the ability to study XRPL documentation, create wallets, and transfer funds independently. Christina Chan, RippleX's Senior Director of Ecosystem Growth, emphasizes that this is the dawn of a new wave of agentic flows. Essentially, robots and AI agents can now become first-class customers, navigating financial transactions with unprecedented efficiency and security. The technical backbone of this innovation is the XRP Ledger itself. Transactions complete in just 3 to 5 seconds thanks to deterministic finality. This feature frees AI systems from the need to constantly verify transfer statuses, eliminating redundant loops that slow down traditional systems. It's fast, reliable, and purpose-built for a future where autonomous financial operations are the norm rather than the exception. Financial interactions for AI agents are powered by the X402 protocol, developed in partnership with T54. This allows AI programs to pay for API calls and computing resources seamlessly. The system uses XRP as the settlement unit, along with RLUSD, Ripple's USD stablecoin, to counter volatility. This means that invoices, payments, and transfers can be executed securely and predictably, a critical requirement for large-scale corporate adoption and institutional use. Another game-changing feature is Ripple's built-in decentralized exchange. It allows AI agents to send RLUSD while recipients can lock in XRP directly, bypassing fragile third-party bridges. This approach minimizes risk and ensures transactions remain secure. By removing intermediary steps, Ripple creates a more robust, efficient, and resilient financial network for AI participants. The corporate applications of this technology are significant. Companies can configure strict limits, use escrow accounts, multi-signatures, and maintain allow lists for approved counterparties. This means AI agents can operate within tightly controlled financial parameters without jeopardizing corporate funds. For enterprises looking to integrate autonomous systems, this provides a secure framework that has been nearly impossible to achieve on other blockchains. Security is another cornerstone of Ripple's strategy. XRPL's base layer embeds all the rules for moving funds directly into the protocol. This eliminates the risk of smart contract errors that have cost billions on other platforms. For AI-driven finance, this security ensures that even autonomous agents can execute transactions with confidence, reducing human oversight without increasing exposure to errors or fraud. Looking ahead, Ripple's roadmap envisions a landscape where AI systems handle most routine transactions. Human oversight will still exist, but the bulk of financial activity could be driven by intelligent agents. This aligns with the broader trend of automation across industries and positions XRP as the infrastructure of choice for a future that is rapidly becoming machine-centric. Market dynamics also intersect with this technological shift. XRP's positioning as an AI-friendly ledger could attract institutional capital, especially as traditional crypto investment vehicles like Bitcoin, ETFs face pressure and outflows. The industry is beginning to recognize the efficiency and strategic advantage of integrating AI with blockchain, and Ripple is poised to capture that momentum. The announcement also highlights Ripple's collaboration with partners like MasterCard, although XRP itself was not directly part of that deal. These partnerships signal that major financial players are taking notice of the AI-XRP convergence. The recognition from global fintech entities reinforces the credibility and potential adoption of AI-driven XRP systems in mainstream finance. From a user perspective, this means that wallets, payment apps, and financial services could evolve to support AI-first interactions. Everyday users may start seeing interfaces where intelligent agents negotiate payments, optimize transactions, and manage funds automatically, all powered by XRP's secure, high-speed ledger. This could transform everything from payroll and invoicing to personal finance and cross-border transactions. The implications for the crypto market are also profound. As AI becomes more integrated into financial operations, assets that support rapid, secure, and programmable transactions, like XRP, may gain strategic relevance. Investors, developers, and institutions that anticipate these trends could find themselves ahead of the curve, leveraging XRP's technological advantages for both performance and adoption. In conclusion, Ripple's 10-year AI vision positions XRP as more than just a digital asset. It becomes a critical infrastructure component for a future dominated by autonomous financial agents. By enabling AI to participate directly in secure, fast, and programmable transactions, Ripple is setting the stage for an entirely new paradigm of finance. This isn't just evolution, it's a revolution that could redefine how value moves across the global economy. Stay tuned with XRP Pulse for all the latest updates on this developing story, including technical deep dives, market analysis, and expert commentary. This is the kind of forward-looking news every investor, developer, and crypto enthusiast needs to follow closely. As Ripple advances its AI strategy, XRP is proving that it's not just keeping pace with the future, it's actively shaping it. The next decade is likely to see machine-driven finance become commonplace, and Ripple is clearly aiming to make XRP the backbone of that transformation. Whether you're a trader, a developer, or a curious observer, keeping an eye on how AI interacts with XRP today could give you critical insights into the financial networks of tomorrow. This is XRP Pulse, bringing you the insights that matter most in crypto and blockchain technology. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay ahead of the curve with everything XRP and AI. The future is unfolding fast, and XRP is at the very heart of it.